You like to hang on right there? There's other bird right there. Huh?
That's her indoor tree.
Oh my God! That look like a branches. So creative, oy. That's my Sunny.
I don't know how she got the pencil like that because the pencil is straight up and down.
How you did that?
I don't know. I just looked up and she was
Wow! So nice!
balancing on the pencil.
Very creative. Oh my God, the branches. Yeah.
I hope it doesn't flip out of the cup.
So cute. Come here. Let's eat.
Yeah, go to your mother. Go eat.
Come.
You don't eat enough. You
Good now. Yeah.
go ahead,
Good now, baby. Come to mommy.
pick her up. What a rascal.